a little bit of trying different instances of code that ChatGPT gives you, running it, and then fixing the errors, right? Because Python will tell you when there's errors, right? And again, we saw that in the first class. In fact, Rex, I think you were there, right? Where they will make mistakes, right? And then the Python interpreter will tell you where the mistake is, and then you have to go and research that mistake on your own, right? So I think it's just going to be that process of, okay, well, you know, that looks good, but let me run it. Oh, okay, here's the error. Let me go look at that mistake. Let me go look that up. In some cases, you know, as you develop that skill more, you'll be able to see the errors on the screen within the chat window, and that's happened to me, where I'll do that and I can say, are you sure that this line looks right? I think you made a mistake there. And ChatGPT will correct itself. Doesn't always correct itself in the best way, right? Sometimes I found that the corrections themselves have errors, right? But yeah, I mean, you're just going to have to sit there and kind of develop an eye for it, develop the skill for it. In other cases, you might just want to do projects on your own too, Rex, right? Not everything has to start with ChatGPT. I recommend that because that's what the future is going to be. But if you're still saying, hey, I'm at a base level of development, then go ahead and start writing your own code from scratch. And that in itself will also help you develop that eye, right? That ability to read other people's code, ChatGPT's code, and be able to detect when things are wrong. Okay, so I hope that helps you.